Zelle is a payment service integrated into the Capital One mobile app that allows users to send money directly to another person's U.S. bank account using only their mobile number or email. Address. This tutorial outlines the steps to set up and use Zelle within the Capital One app. What Zelle does, Zelle enables fast person-to-person money transfers. Funds are typically sent within minutes when the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle through their own bank. The service does not require cash or checks and works directly between linked bank accounts. Steps to send money with Zelle. First, open the Capital One mobile app on your phone and sign in to your account. Tap on your checking account from the main screen. Look for the option that says Send Money with Zelle and tap on it. Enter the amount of money you want to send. You may also add a short note or memo explaining the payment. Review all details on the screen to complete the transfer. Slide to confirm the payment. In some cases, you may be asked to enter a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email for security. Enter the code to finish the process. Limitation. Zelle is designed for domestic transfers between U.S. bank accounts only. It does not support international payments or credit card funding. The recipient must have a U.S. bank account that participates in the Zelle network. This service is best suited for sending money to friends, family, or trusted individuals for bill splitting, gifts, or reimbursements. Conclusion. Using Zelle on the Capital One app involves enrolling with a mobile number or email, adding a recipient, entering an amount, and confirming the transfer. Funds are typically delivered within minutes to enrolled recipients. A one-time passcode may be required for security verification